How to know who follows you on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell for more updates. So, to know who follows you on Snapchat, what we do is go to your profile on the top left corner, tap on it, and then scroll down until you find My Friends option. Now, tap on it. Here you'll see a list of people who are following you. Remember, whenever someone sends you a friend request and you accept it, they automatically become your follower. So now, whoever adds you as a friend, just know that they will become your followers. And that's it. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.